Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another walkthrough through our garden. Still looks like it's been dry. So planted this bed here with some onions, and that's marigold. Transplanted that, so we'll grow some flowers around here. Pretty much everything else is pretty much done as it's going to seed, so we're going to harvest more seeds, and I think after this we'll have enough seeds that we'll be able to pull everything out. Still looks like it's been dry. It's so cool. Our pineapples keep doing really well. There'll be some lettuce. It looks like it's kind of burned a little bit, but it'll be all right to eat. Let's check out our beds over here. So this we replanted with red lettuce, but that didn't come up. Our potatoes we're going to try to harvest this weekend. This is our miniature corn. Beans. Look, we have some beans. I think I'm going to let it go a little bit more, and that's the rest of our potatoes. So this is our onion and ginger bed. The ginger looks like it's coming up. Needs more water. So how's this guy doing? This is our starter for our lettuce. And the green onions, super dry. Okay, we tried to tie up our lily koi to train it to go that way, and that looks like it's working. Our chayote, and what we planted here is that's tomatoes. That's a marigold. Our peppers are, this stupid birds are eating them. Gonna have to put something around this. I made a video about that one. Ooh, an eggplant. Let's take a look at that. Oh, that's an ugly one. We have one here. So we're going to harvest all of these seeds. These are our Chinese lettuce. These guys right here. So you can see, like, pop them off. We'll have to dry it, but then there you can see the seeds right there. And here are our peppers. We got some nice ones here. Our macadamia nut. Gonna have to probably repot these. Something ate our bell pepper plant. Same thing, this is red lettuce, our red lettuce seeds. I think we're pretty much have more than what we need, so all of this is going to come out this weekend. Black seeded Simpson. Our zucchini plant is monstrous. Any zucchini? No, this one's doing really well. That's a beet. So you can tell it's really dry when our flower bed is kind of dry. So what we did too is we're making some flower beds over here, and we're eventually going to go down more. This is interesting. So this is winter melon. This is growing the wrong way, and this is the purple potato. Onions are doing really well. The cucumber plant is sickly, but got a cucumber. 2 cucumbers. So we'll harvest those because the plant looks horrible. Well, this one's still alive. Yeah, we'll let this one go. Tomatoes. Here are beets. Gailan, more beets. Oh, look. Something dug all the mulch out of here. Here's our potatoes, not tomatoes in the grow bag. This one's doing okay. Well, it's been a dry week. Gonna get to watering. So what we're gonna do this weekend is all this lettuce is gonna come out. Gonna re-prepare this bed for planting, and I'm gonna make 1 or 2 more beds. It's gonna be a lot of work this weekend. I can't wait to try to harvest the potatoes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.